Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us begin today's class. So we will be doing the converse part of BPT. Okay, this is theorem 2. Theorem 1 we have already done. This is theorem 2. That is converse of BPT. Okay, can you repeat what was the statement of BPT? Haji, please can you repeat the statement? What was the statement? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. It was the BPT. So now its converse is if a line divide divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. So first of all, we'll do the proof of it. So consider a triangle ABC first. Suppose this is the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. And suppose there is a line DE. Now what is given here, first of all, write down the given information. What is given here? Triangle ABC. और इसको मैं ले रहा हूँ, आई एम टेकिंग दिस लाइन एज माई line L. Okay, triangle ABC is given to us, and the line L intersecting AB and AC at D and E. Now, and such that what is given to us? AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is given to us. Is that okay, beta? Now, what is to be proved here? The line L is parallel to BC. This is our objective, to prove L is parallel to BC. What is L exactly? That is to prove that is DE is parallel to BC. Is that okay? Please tell me. ये हमने सारी given information लिखी. Now I will start writing the proof. Just try to understand the proof how we are going to. So the proof is something like that. We will use the method of contradiction. So the proof begin from here. ऐसा मान लेते हैं if possible suppose कि जो DE है वो BC के पैरेलल नहीं है. Is that okay? If possible suppose DE is not parallel to BC. Is that okay, beta? So now see, then there must be say another line. Say another line. हमने क्या मान लिया, डी इसके पैरेलल नहीं है, तो हमने क्या किया, डी से एक छोटा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन किया. सपोज वी हैव टेकन डी एफ and we are assuming that this DF is parallel to BC. Are you getting it? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट यार, वेटिंग रूम में कौन कौन है यार, लेट मी सी। अच्छा रेयान भी आ गया है, दोनों आ गए, ठीक है। Then there must be, say, another line I'm claiming, that is DF is parallel to BC. अगर ऐसा है DF इसके पैरेलल है BC के, so we can use the BPT over here. Please tell me. So we will be writing here, since DF is parallel to BC, so by BPT, that is by basic proportionality theorem, so what you will be having, that is AD upon DB must be equal to AF upon FC. Is that okay, beta? Please tell me. Any problem up to this part? Please tell me. Let it be one. Clear है यहाँ तक? But what exactly is given to us? AD upon DB is same as AE upon EC. This is given to us. Let it be 2. This information is given. Now, so now using 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, can we equate them? दोनों का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड तो इक्वल ही है. सो व्हाट कैन वी अचीव फ्रॉम हियर, दैट इज ए एफ अपॉन एफ सी इज सेम एज ए ई अपॉन ई सी. प्लीज टेल मी. क्लियर है यहाँ तक भाई? हाँ जी.
Yes.
Now see,
Yes, sir.
what I will do, adding one both sides. See what you are going to obtain, AF upon FC प्लस 1. फिगर को थोड़ा ध्यान से देख लीजिएगा. अरे प्लीज़, ज्योमेट्री में मैंने साफ साफ कहा था कि एक तो कॉपी पेन साथ लेके बैठिएगा, फिगर पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना. नाउ सी, इफ आई सिंप्लीफाई इट, देन व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू ऑब्टेन, ए एफ प्लस एफ सी अपॉन एफ सी is same as AE plus EC upon EC. Is that okay? What is AF plus FC? It will become AC. Please tell me. This will imply AC over FC is same as, what is AE plus EC? Please tell me. AE plus EC will be equal to what? AC. That is. So now can we claim that this will imply FC is equal to EC? अब एक बात बताओ यार, FC, अब जरा फिगर को ध्यान से देखिएगा, FC EC के बराबर कब हो सकता है? जब पॉइंट E जो है, ट्रायंगल देखिए, मैं ट्रायंगल को थोड़ा सा जूम करके दिखा रहा हूं, ध्यान से देखिएगा. जस्ट आई एम मार्किंग हियर. हमने क्या क्लेम किया कि FC जो है ये और जो EC ये दोनों इक्वल है, तो इट इज पॉसिबल इफ एंड ओनली दीज 2 पॉइंट्स कंसाइड. आर यू गेटिंग इट? प्लीज टेल मी. देन F must coincide on E. So you can say that this is only possible if these points coincide. Is that okay?
सर आपने क्या रीजन दिया?
बेटा एक बात बताइए ना, इस ट्रायंगल को देखिए, मैं कह रहा हूं कि जो FC है आपका यहाँ पर, वो EC के बराबर है. ये दोनों इक्वल कब होंगे? जब F और E दोनों पॉइंट कंसाइड करेंगे तभी तो होगा. आर यू गेटिंग दिस? ये पॉइंट इधर F है और इधर E है, एंड आई एम क्लेमिंग कि जो FC है, जो है आपका जो डिस्टेंस है, वो EC के इक्वल है. तो इट इज ओनली पॉसिबल इफ F और E कंसाइड करेंगे. So you can say that.
ओके सर.
So that is the reasoning for it. So I'm writing this is only possible. This is possible only if when F and E coincide. That is, you can say that DF is the line L, but DF is parallel to BC. So hence L is parallel to BC. That's what we want to prove. Is that okay, beta? Please take the screenshot of this proof. Is it visible? हाँ जी. Please tell me. I'm audible to
Sir,
all?
take it.
Taken? Okay. Now we'll do some problem on BPT today in today's class. So let us consider a few examples on BPT. Some problems on BPT. I'm making a figure here. Suppose this is the figure. We have the triangle KMN and there is a point PQ. कहता है in the above figure PQ is parallel to MN and KP over PM is equal to 4 by 13 and Kn is equal to 20.4 centimeter. The question is find KQ. That is the question. So it is a direct application of BPT. So please tell me, since it is already given this PQ is parallel to MN, so we can use BPT directly here. Please tell me. हाँ जी, देखिए जरा ध्यान से, अगर मैं सॉल्यूशन की बात करूं यहाँ पर, since PQ is parallel to MN, so there this will imply by BPT. So what can you claim that? That is KP over PM must be equal to KQ by QN. Please tell me. Clear है बेटा? हाँ जी. KP upon PM हमें कितना दे रखा है? Please tell me. It is 4 by 13. Now, हमें निकालना क्या है इसमें? KQ. अब QN को देखिए, QN दे रखा. Can I write this QN as, just try to understand that how I can write. अब मुझे इंफॉर्मेशन यूज करके मुझे KN दे रखा है, so I can write this as KN minus KQ. Please tell me, can I write this way? Please tell me. Reply करो भाई. I'm audible or not? Please tell me.
Yes.
Okay, now see. So the next thing is that you have to substitute the values. 4 by 13. What is the KQ we have to find? So if I take KQ as my X and KN we have already given, that is 20.4 minus X. So you have to simplify for the X. Are you getting it? Please tell me. So this will imply 4 times of 20.4 minus X is equal to 13X. Is that okay, beta? Please tell me. So if I multiply it, then it will be nothing but 81.6 minus 4x is equal to 13x. So we will be having 17x is equal to 81.6. So this will imply your x, that is 81.6 over 17. Is that okay beta? Please tell me. इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो कितने पे जाएगा? It is coming out to be 4.8 centimeter. Clear है बेटा? Please reply.
Yes, sir.
So please take the screenshot of it. Now let us consider one more problem of this type. Done? हाँ जी.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is another example. Consider the figure. There is a triangle like this. We have the triangle ABC and then this is DE. Now in this figure, what exactly is given? In above figure, DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC, and AD is equal to X. AD is X, and DB is X minus 2, and AE is X plus 2, and EC is X minus 1. The question is find the value of X. The question is find the value of X. Again, it is a direct application of BPT, because they have given that D is parallel to BC. So the solution will go like this. Since DE is parallel to BC, so therefore by BPT, can I say that AD over DB is same as AE over EC? Please tell me. Now you have to just substitute the values. AD is X, and DB is X minus 2, and AE is X plus 2, and EC is X minus 1. So I think you will be obtaining a quadratic equation here. So let us solve it. So this is nothing but X into X minus 1 equal to X plus 2 into X minus 2. So this will imply x square minus x is equal to x square minus 4. So this will get cancelled. So this will imply your x is 4. Clear hai beta? Please tell me.
So clear.
So please take the screenshot.
Taken, sir.
Okay. Now let us consider one more problem. There is another problem. See. Just wait. I think Aruna is left the meeting. Aruna is came in the meeting. We have another problem. See. Again, I'm making a figure. See. In a given figure, the figure is something like that. We have triangle ABC. A, B, C. And there is a line segment LM. And what is given here? LM is parallel to AB. And AL is nothing but x minus 3. AC is 2x. And BM is x minus 2. And BC is 2x plus 3. The question is find the value of x. It's a similar question. Now see, again we'll use the BPT here because the conditions are satisfied here. So you can say that if I start writing the solution of it, since LM is parallel to AB, so by BPT I can say that AL upon LC is same as BM upon MC. Is that okay beta? Please tell me. Now see, हमें जो इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रखी है अभी तक जरा ध्यान से देखिएगा क्वेश्चन में हमें AL का इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रखा और BM का दे रखा है. AC और BC तो हमें खुद पिक्चर में क्रिएट करने पड़ेंगे. तो LC हम कैसे लिखेंगे? प्लीज टेल मी हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट LC. Please reply how you will replace LC. It is nothing but AC minus AL. Can we write this way? Please tell me. Now,
Yes, sir.
now MC again is not there, so we have to create something that BC has to be in the picture. So how can we write this? BC minus BM. Is that okay? Now substitute the relevant informations. What is AL here? X minus 3. What is AC? 2x. What is AL? Minus x plus 3 हो जाएगा बेटा. What is BM? X minus 2. Now, see what is BC minus BM? That is BC is 2x plus 3. And your BM is it again minus x plus 2. It will be like this. Now on simplification I will get x minus 3 upon x plus 3 is same as x minus 2 upon x plus 5. Is that okay beta? Now let us simplify it. That is x minus 3 into x plus 5 is same as x minus 2 into x plus 3. Now multiply them. On multiplication you will be getting x square plus 2x minus 15 is same as x square plus x minus 6. Is that okay beta? Now you can say that this x square will get cancelled and it will be 2x minus x is x and 15 को उधर लेके जाएंगे तो कितना बचेगा 9. So x is 9. Is that okay beta? Please tell me. Clear है बेटा? Reply करिए.
Yes, sir. Clear है, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now consider there is a question that it was asked in the board 2010. I'm making the figure of that question first. See how is the figure. They have made it something like quadrilateral and the namings are A, B, C, D. Suppose it is a quadrilateral and there is a point P here. This is P, this is Q and this is R. Now what question they have asked here regarding this figure, I'm just writing. In the above figure, this PQ is parallel to BC and PR. Now see, I'm just marking here this PQ is parallel to BC. Is that okay beta? Please tell me. And the another information here that they mention, this PR is parallel to CD. This is parallel to CD like this. Now they are asked to prove, that is prove that AR upon AD is equal to AQ upon AB. This is the first part they are looking for. Number 2, they have asked QB upon AQ is equal to DR over AR. This question was asked in CBSE 2010 बोर्ड एग्जाम. देखिए आप जितने पुराने क्वेश्चन करेंगे CBSE बोर्ड के तो उतना ही आपको जो है क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा बेटर क्वालिटी के मिलेंगे. तो मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि जितने पुराने क्वेश्चन हैं वो सारे पिक्चर में लेके आएँ. जस्ट सी द सॉल्यूशन पार्ट ऑफ इट. We will be using the now see, first of all you focus the in the triangle ABC. Now see, I'm just marking this triangle's vertex. This is your triangle ABC. In this triangle what they have given, this PQ is parallel to BC, so it is fulfilling the condition of BPT. Please tell me, बताइए बेटा. In triangle ABC, if you see that PQ is parallel to BC, so by BPT क्या आएगा बेटा by BPT? Please tell me. Can I say that AQ over AB is same as AP by AC. ये मैंने corollary यूज करी है, अगर याद हो आपको, प्लीज टेल मी, आई हैव यूज द corollary. बताओ बेटा, बीपीटी की corollary यूज करी हमने. वी हैव रिटर्न ए क्यू ओवर ए बी इज सेम एज, ये देखिए सोच समझ के ही ये सारी चीजें लिखी जाती है, ध्यान से देखिएगा. सिमिलरली जस्ट सी व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन in triangle ACD. Again I am marking here, this is the triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, this PR is parallel to CD. So again by BPT, can we write this as AP upon AC is equal to, just try to understand that, it is nothing but AR upon AD. अब एक बात है, कैन वी इक्वेट 1 and 2, क्योंकि दोनों का ये साइड इक्वल है AP by AC. प्लीज कैन वी इक्वेट दैम, प्लीज टेल मी. सो फ्रॉम 1 and 2 I can write AQ by AB is same as AR by AD. Is that okay? Please tell me. हाँ जी, प्लीज टेल मी. यही हमें प्रूव करना था. फर्स्ट पार्ट एस्टेब्लिश हो गया बेटा, प्लीज टेल मी. रिप्लाई करिए बेटा. क्लियर है यहां तक?
Clear है sir.
Okay, now see the second part. We have to prove that QB, that is QB over AQ, ये भी हो जाएगा. इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात. अब आपने क्या प्रूव किया अभी तक? We have already proved that AQ by AB is same as AR by AD. Please tell me, we have proved this. हाँ जी. Can we take the reciprocal of it? That is AB over AQ is same as AD by AR. Please tell me. अब जरा ध्यान से देखना, अगर मुझे क्रिएट करना है कि किसी भी तरीके से QB और ये करना है, तो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, एडिंग वन बोथ साइड. सी व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. वी हैव AB upon AQ. Now rather than this, can we write this AB as AQ plus QB? Please see the figure. This is same as AQ plus QB. I am writing this as AQ plus QB. Please tell me, upon AQ is equal to, can we write this AD in the figure as AR plus RD? ध्यान से देख लीजिएगा. Upon AR. Is that okay? Please tell me. And it is same as, we can write this as, this will imply, क्या इस साइड को मैं ऐसे भी लिख सकता हूं? जरा ध्यान से देख लीजिएगा, प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. दिस विल इम्प्लाई 1 प्लस QB अपॉन AQ इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस RD अपॉन AR. प्लीज टेल मी. 1 से 1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सो यू विल बी हैविंग QB अपॉन AQ is equal to RD by AR. Is that okay बेटा? Please tell me. हाँ जी.
Yes sir.
So this proves the question. तो ये 2010 में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन था, तो ये हमने डिस्कस किया, तो इसका आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. डन बेटा? हाँ जी. प्लीज टेल मी.
Yes sir, ले लिया.
ओके. अब आप क्या करेंगे कि पहले एनसीईआरटी से क्वेश्चंस करेंगे बीपीटी के, और कुछ क्वेश्चन मैं सेंड कर रहा हूँ आज, वो आप लोग ट्राई करेंगे, ठीक है. और नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं आगे भी इससे रिलेटेड कुछ और क्वेश्चंस मैं करवाऊंगा, ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट ट्राई टू सोल्व सम प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन बीपीटी, फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में जितनी भी हैं, ठीक है. इज दैट ओके बेटा? हाँ जी।
ओके सर।
तो अब हम जो है नेक्स्ट क्लास में आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे। आर यू गेटिंग इट? इसमें कोई